A. From class third A. I think there is roll number 28 who is present here. Vaibhav. I think yesterday he was absent. Vaibhav. Am I right, Vaibhav?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So now the question is for you. Listen it carefully. Tell me about yourself. Vaibhav. Unmute your device and tell me about yourself.
Good morning, sir.
Vaibhav, tell me about
Good
yourself.
morning.
Vaibhav Pulwani. Vaibhav, are you there? Can you hear me? Okay, he is not responding. He is not giving any response. Next is
Yes, sir.
वैभव, मैंने आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछा है बेटा. टेल मी अबाउट योर सेल्फ. यस
सर हिंदी में बताओ.
अबाउट योर सेल्फ यू डोंट नो. आपके बारे में आपको बताने नहीं आएगा.
अपने बारे में बताओ.
Okay, so in this class we are going to start from Jia, roll number 16. Yes, Jia Moti. Okay, Kota Rushik is also there. Rushik, Kota Rushik. Yes, कैमरा ऊपर कर लो, अपना चेहरा दिखाइए. Show me your face. Is it you? Yes, yes. Now I can understand. I can see you. Kota Rushik. Are you ready? The question is for you. What do you like about the poem The Balloon Man? What do you like about the poem Balloon Man? The Balloon Man. Kota Rushik, are you there? Kota Rushik, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me the answer of this question.
About the various types of balloons.
Come again.
This poem tells us about the various types of balloons.
Very good, very good. Next is Jia, Jia Moti. और कोटा रुशिक, आप है ना अपना मोबाइल थोड़ा सा ऊपर की तरफ फोल्ड ऐसे रखो, क्योंकि आपका फेस नहीं दिखता. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Jia, tell me, what happens to the balloons when there is a wind? When there is a wind? Jia, tell me the answer of this question. What happens to the balloons when there is a wind? Do you know the answer? क्या आपको आंसर पता है? Okay, okay, leave it, Jia. Your question is passed to Ishita. Your question is passed to Ishita. Yes, Ishita. Ishita, the question is for you. What happens to the balloons when there is a wind? Students who knows the answer, they can raise their hands just like this. Yes, Shashwat, tell me the answer of this question so that
Balloons
everybody
come
can know.
here and there when there is a wind.
Come again, Shashwat. फिर से बताइए.
Balloon tug here and there when there is a wind.
Very good, very good. The balloon tug here and there when there is a wind. Okay? Yes. So, Jia Motis and Ishita, keep this in your mind. Remember this answer. Okay? Next is on the screen, Icharani. Icharani, are you there?
Yes.
The question is for you. Tell me two sentences about trees. Icharani, two sentences about trees. Any
Yes,
trees,
sir.
which you like. Yes, tell me, Icharani.
These are long.
Okay, accepted. Next one.
They give us fruit, sir.
Very good, Icharani. Next question to Harshal Baraskar. Next question to Harshal Baraskar. Harshal Baraskar, please unmute your device and be ready for the next question. Are you ready? Harshal? I think some network error is there with Harshal.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Harshal. The question is for you. Name the two birds in the poem Bird Stock.
Robin and Jay.
Very good. Robin and the Jay. Next question to Drishya Lalar. Drishya Lalar.
Yes, sir.
Yes. The question is for you. Name 5 flowers growing in the magic garden. Tell me.
Sunflower. Sunflower
Yes.
and rose. Rose. Rose.
Tell me. Yes. Rose, sunflower. Third one.
Marigold.
Yes. Marigold.
Genda.
Who is helping you? Drishya.
Pansies.
Pansies. Yes.
Hibiscus.
And poppies. Poppies. Okay. Poppies, pansies, rose, marigold, and sunflower. These 5 flowers were there in a magic garden. Okay. Next question to Diya Sharma. Diya Sharma. Yes, Diya Sharma is excited to listen and to answer the question. Yes, the question is for you. What does the little child want to do in the poem Good Morning? What does the child want to do in the poem Good Morning? Good Morning poem में जो छोटी बच्ची है वो क्या करना चाहती है? What does the child want to do? Yes, Diya, tell me.
तितली को पकड़ना चाहती है.
Yes, Diya. बताइए बेटा।
बटरफ्लाई को पकड़ना चाहती है।
किसको पकड़ना चाहती है?
बटरफ्लाई को।
नो, फर्स्ट पोएम क्या है? गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड मॉर्निंग स्काई, गुड मॉर्निंग सन, गुड मॉर्निंग लिटिल विंड्स डांस रन, गुड मॉर्निंग बर्ड्स, गुड मॉर्निंग ट्रीज and creeping grass and brownie bees. How did you find it? Was a day. Who told you night had gone away? I am wide awake. I am up now too. I will be right to play with you. So, what does the child want to do in the poem Good Morning? The child wants to do, wants to go out and play. जो छोटी बच्ची है वो बाहर जाना चाहती है और खेलना चाहती है। Understood, Diya?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next question to Azan Ahmad. Next question, Azan Ahmad, are you ready?
So.
Yes. Tell me the opposite word of night. Yes, Azan?
D.
Hey, very good, very good. Tell me the plural form of star. Tell me the plural. Plural means one, many. Enough? Many. One book, many books, like this way. One star, many. Star, star, S-T-A-R, star. So what is the plural form of star? Azhan Ahmad, yes.
Stars.
Stars, very good. Shreyanshi. Next is on the screen, Aisha Siddika. Aisha. Yes. Question is for you. Listen, Aisha. What is Azhan Ahmad, mute your device. What is the opposite word for come? What is the opposite word for come? Come. Come का opposite word क्या है?
Go.
Yes. Come यानी आना. Yes, very good, very good. Kumud, Sangeeta, Ishita, Drishya, Mohit, Icharani, Sherianshi, Pratik, Shashwat, Azan. Very good, very good. Mohini, go is the correct answer. Go, come, go. Okay.
Go, sir.
Yes. Now next is Akshit Mahajan.
Yes, sir.
Yes, the question is for you. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, the question is for you. Why did the flowers love the little children?
The flowers loved little children as they bring watering cans and water their thirsty roots.
Very good, Akshit. May I ask you another question to Akshit?
Okay, sir.
When you shake like this, ऐसे करने से आंसर याद आते हैं क्या आपको?
No, sir.
कोई भी आंसर बताते हुए आप ऐसे ऐसे करते हो, है ना? मुझे लगता है ऐसे करने से आपको आंसर याद आ जाता है। क्या सच क्या है बताइए?
मैं याद करता हूँ
हाँ?
आंसर। मैं याद करता हूँ आंसर्स।
याद करते हो लेकिन ऐसे हिलते क्यों हो आंसर याद करने के लिए?
या आदत है।
Okay, jokes apart, but very good. Okay, next is on the screen Akshat Pulwaria. Akshat, are you ready? The question is for you. Tell me the two names of birds.
Robin and Jay.
Okay. Two names of an insect.
Cockroach and lizard.
Lizard. Lizard is an insect. Yes, cockroach है.
Sir, mosquito.
Generally we see in our home.
Spider.
Fly.
Yes, housefly. Very good. Okay. So
Sir,
next
spider.
question is for you. Tell me the two names of flowers. Two names of flowers.
Rose
Very good.
and poppies.
And rose and sunflower.
Okay. अक्षर, आपने दो आईडी से लॉगिन किया हुआ है क्लासरूम में, दो डिवाइसेस से. अक्षर, आपने दो डिवाइसेस नहीं ना, एक ही है ना. यहाँ पे दो नाम दिख रहे हैं आपके, अक्षत फुलवारिया 3103, दूसरा भी वही है. ओके, so leave it. Next is on the screen, Advik Singh.
Yes, sir.
Advik Singh, the question is for you. Why was Nina worried?
There was great joy in Nina's house as Nina's aunt was getting married.
No, the question. Listen the question first. Why was Nina worried?
Nina
परेशान क्यों थी?
worried about the baby sparrow in the nest.
Very good, very good.
Would be left hungry as one reminded at home.
Yes, yes, very good, very good. पहले शायद आपने क्वेश्चन गलत सुना था, है ना? कोई बात
Yes,
नहीं. Yes, yes. So next is on the screen Abhaya Singh. Next is on the screen Abhaya Singh.
Yes, sir.
Abhaya Singh. Yes, Abhaya, the question is for you. Question is for you. Where did the child found the seashell? Where did the child found seashell? The child found the seashell. Tell me the answer, Abhaya.
Yes, sir. Do.
Seashell कहाँ पे मिला था?
The seashell found the sea. Sir, sea.
Okay, okay, Abhaya. Sea song poem आपको याद है?
No, sir.
आपने याद नहीं की?
सर मैंने याद की थी पर मेरे को अच्छे से नहीं हो रही थी.
अच्छा, अच्छा, तो कोशिश कीजिए बेटा, आगे भी है ना थोड़ा सा याद करने की, क्योंकि आपको क्वेश्चन ऐसे
Yes,
पूछे
sir.
जाएंगे. प्रियम यादव.
Yes, sir.
प्रियम यादव.
Yes.
प्रियम यादव.
Yes, sir.
Turn on your camera बेटा. Yes, आप कैसे बैठे हो क्लास अटेंड करने के लिए?
Sorry, sir.
Not sorry. आप कैसे बैठे हो? Where is your shirt? Go wear a shirt and then attend the class. Go. शर्ट पहनो और क्लास अटेंड करो. Yes. So students, I am really happy for the responses from your side because it is surprise test.
The
And
child
most
found the seashell
students-
lying on the sand.
Yes, and most of the students have given the correct answers and participated very nicely. So I am very happy to see this. So from my side, I clap for you all. Okay. Yes. So students, let me tell you this. All the poems are so important for your exam. Okay. So first, PM Yadav, मैंने आपसे कुछ पूछा नहीं है. Okay. Yes. Now nobody will unmute their mic. Just listen carefully. Open the book at page number 1. We are going to start reciting poem or poem reciting. Okay. From page number 1. From poem number 1. Good morning. Now it is afternoon, but we will sing this poem. Good morning. Okay. Are you ready?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Wait a minute. Yes. So students, poem number 1, good morning. Let's get started. Good morning, sky. Good morning, sun. Good morning, little winds that run. Good morning, sky. Good morning, sun. माइक म्यूट रखने हैं मोहिनी. ठीक है. सभी बच्चे अगर माइक अनम्यूट करेंगे ना तो बहुत ही डिस्टर्बेंस होगा. So that I request you all, please mute your devices and just do the actions. Do the actions, okay? And sing after me or with me. Good morning, sky. Good morning, sun. Good morning, little wings that run. Yes. Run कैसे करते हैं हम? भागते कैसे हैं? Yes. Good morning, sky. Good morning, sun. Good morning, little wings that run. Good morning, birds. Good morning, trees. And creeping grass and brownie bees. And creeping grass and brownie bees. How did you find out it was day? How did you find out it was day? Who told you night had gone away? Who told you night had gone away? जतिन, जतिन और दृश्य मस्ती नहीं करनी है. You are on the screen, okay? Yes. So do all this activity seriously and sincerely. Who told you night had gone away? I'm wide awake. I am up now too. I will be right out to play with you. I will be right out to play with you.
To washroom.
Yes, Vikas, go. Okay, so like this way, you will learn, you will remember, you will recite this poem 2-3 times. Okay. Good morning, sky. Good morning, sun. Good morning, little winds that run. Good morning, birds. Good morning, bees. And the creeping grass and the brownie bees. And creeping grass and brownie bees. How did you find out it was day? Who told you night had gone away? I'm wide awake. I am up now too. I will be right out to play with you. I will be right out to play with you. I will be right out to play with you. Okay? Yes. Next poem is, what is the title of our next poem, second poem?
Robin and Jean.
Bird talk. Bird talk. Bird talk. Yes. Now, mute your devices. Page number 11, we have second poem, Bird Talk. Let's Start. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Sitting in the garden one day. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Sitting in the garden, talking one day. Think about people the way they grow. Think about the people the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. They don't grow feathers at all, you know. They don't eat beetles. Ah, ganda. They don't eat beetles. Beetles, it is the name of an insect. They
Ma'am,
don't
insects.
They don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. Yes, they don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wire and things. Thing, said the robin. Thing, said the jay. Aren't people half funny to be that way? Aren't people funny to be that way? Okay? Have you enjoyed this poem? Show me thumbs up.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's move towards the poem number 3. Let's move towards the poem number 3, which is
Little by little.
Ma'am,
Little by little.
Little.
Little by little.
Yes,
The little by little.
stop making noise. Listen carefully. The title of the poem is Little by Little. Little by little, and a song said, as it slowly sank in moody face, I'm improving every day, hidden deep in the earth away, hidden deep in the earth away. Little by little, each day it grew. Little by little, it sipped the dew. Downward it sent out the trail like root. Okay? Downward it sent out a thread like root. Up in the air sprang a tiny shoot. Up in the air sprang a tiny shoot. Day by day and year by year, little by little the leaves appear. And the slender branches spread far and wide, till the mighty oak is the forest pride. Till the mighty oak is the forest pride. Till the mighty oak is the forest pride. Okay, let's move towards the next poem, poem number 4,
Sea song.
Sea Song.
Ma'am,
Yes, so let's get started. The title of our poem, Sea Song. I found a shell, a curly one, lying on the sand. I found a shell, a curly one, lying on the sand. I picked it up and took it home, cold inside my hand, cold in my hand. Mommy looked at it and then she held my ear. Mommy looked at it and then she held it to my ear. And from the shell there came a song, soft and sweet and clear. Soft and sweet and clear. I was surprised, I listened hard. I was surprised, I listened hard. But it was really true. I wish you'd find a big shell and hear it singing too, and hear it singing too. I found a shell, a curly one, lying on the sand. I found a shell, a curly one, lying on the sand, lying on the sand. Now let's move towards the fifth poem. It is the last poem, The Balloon Man.
Sir, balloon man. The balloon man.
Yes, this is the last poem. I will.
balloon man.
Yes,
Sir, may I
I'll
go
take
to
you 5
washroom?
minutes only. After this, we will end the meeting. Okay?
Sir, may I go
He
to
always
washroom?
comes on. Yes, go. He always comes on market days and holds balloons, a lovely bunch. And in the market square he still and never seems to think of lunch. Yes. He always comes on market days and holds balloons, a lovely bunch. And in the market square he stays and never seems to think of lunch. They wear red, purple, blue, and green, and when it is a sunny day, the carts and people get between. You see them shining far away, and some are big and some are small. And some are big and some are small or tied together with a string. And if there is a wind at all, they tug like anything. Someday perhaps he will let them go, and we shall see them sailing high, and stand and watch them from below. They would look pretty in the sky. 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 Okay? So students, like this way, you will learn all the poems. You will remember all these poems. Recite poems 3 to 4 times in front of your parents. Okay, hope you enjoyed this class. So it's bye for now. Have a nice day to all. Everybody, bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.